Hey guys, so little side project for the E46. So the E46 is basically, I'm running out of mods to do, because mods are life. And I'm always trying to make the car a little lighter because it's really heavy. This cage in here, before I do anything, I had it made out of DOM, so it is heavy. But one of the easier things to do, or easiest things you have to do left, are change the glass to a polycarbonate. I've already done it for the back windows here. And also go to a fiberglass door. And then also another cool mod I have coming is the new WiseFab rear trailing arms, which we're going to be installing on this car right away when they get delivered. We have some of the first sets coming, so that should be really interesting. But coming back to this, further removing weight from the rear and making my weight distribution worse, I'm going to be putting a lighter rear window in. Why? Just like I said, mods. So
it's like a shopping addiction.
Pretty much. I ordered this from some company in England. They know my car is legit, so they wrote legit on it. Nice. I don't really know how heavy this window is going to be, but I'm going to call the glass guys and have them pull it, and I can measure it after for you guys. But I think I can put this in with no supports. I got sort of like the thicker poly, and also it's hard coated, so it hopefully doesn't scratch immediately. So I don't use a defroster in the rear. It's not hooked up, although I do have defrosters in my front window. Because I don't have a heater, so that helps a lot when it's cold out in the mornings and the windshield's fogging up really bad. Eventually the glow spikes peak, so that's basically mandatory, so you can see not go off the cliff. But back to the rear window, let's see how heavy this thing actually is.
I got the little shipping scale out.
I'm gonna guess.
You can't set it like that, because then what are you gonna teeter-totter it?
Yeah, exactly. This is legit. What's that say?
It says 8 pounds, 14 ounces.
All
you
right,
should honestly try to lay it down, the crown side on it for a probably more accurate.
Oh yeah.
Wow, I'm not gonna lie, it says 8 pounds, 12 ounces. So that was pretty good.
It's all the technique. But yes, I mean, this will be interesting. I'm gonna get them to come by, I guess.
What's your guess for what your glass weighs?
What was this?
That was 8 pounds.
8 pounds?
Almost 9 pounds.
I'm gonna say 16 pounds.
I was gonna go closer to 22, but
yeah, everything.
This is you took a morning poop.
I'm trying to be optimistic here. I want to have a win. I don't want to have an L. So
yeah,
I'm gonna go
closest without going over.
Yeah, exactly. So I guess I'll call the glass guys who are literally down the street and see when they can fit us in our schedule, and I'll just leave this out for them.
They're really dope. They just actually come to us when they're done working. I feel they're
they're
we finished early today, so here we are. They're literally on the same street, so it's nice.
Yeah, they'll come down. Meineke guys next to them just yelled at us for going too fast on the side road testing transmissions.
Yeah, Meineke hates us.
But glass guy's cool. So we're gonna go do that. I guess we'll print out a new sticker because that sticker is from day one.
That is old sticker. That is old sticker. Those were good though. The curve on it,
dude. This is even from our original build breakdown video.
Wow.
From when we were dressed up and worked hard.
This is 2016 again.
Wow.
We should get more.
Definitely.
Because I don't have a rear one either.
I like this.
Kyle needs a big one for his toolbox anyway.
Oh yeah, I bet they could be the same for all of them pretty much.
Kyle, how big was your toolbox one? Did you measure it?
I did, but I don't remember.
By the way, guys, in the last video that we just launched today, which is the Z3M video, talking about putting the jet skis up, we got him up. It's so sketchy. This one up here, my Super Jet, literally the railing wasn't fully in and fell a little bit, and we had to rescue it.
Definitely a little sketch. Yeah. Although this one at the end though has the cross supports and it's strapped down.
Well, now it is. Originally, a little sketchy.
Yeah.
Definitely not OSHA certified, being a monkey up there. So, but yeah, I'll call it glass people, and we'll see what the weight of the OEM stuff is.
Yeah.
Sure, it's also more of a pain in the ass with the Lexan because it just fucks it just warps.
Yeah. Sweet.
Looks clean.
Looks perfect.
Do you like the one that was just
Yeah, definitely. Now you gotta get Ryan to come over and make a few stickers.
Oh yeah. Look at that. I think it's pretty clear. I mean, I guess
It's very clear.
I guess I should expect that, right? It's a window, but I like the edge on it too. Makes believe
It
it.
looks just like a piece of glass.
It looks like,
Yeah.
Like I would not even know. Couldn't even tell you. I like seen it before. I
Yeah.
would think it's a piece of glass.
I think we should definitely tint it. Because
No,
I think it'll help it not scratch to shit.
Clear, dude.
I think race cars better clear.
Yeah, but the fucking Lexan.
Well, it's got hard coat on it. It has a coating on it. Apparently,
it?
yeah. I paid extra for it. It makes it much harder.
Who made this for you? What company?
I can look it up, but it's out of UK, so like it's shipped international.
What?
It was like $400 shipped, I think.
Well, how much was it like total?
Like $400 shipped.
Okay.
I feel like the static.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful piece. We've done so many of these. It's probably the most.
Only thing I want to
Really?
put the trunk lid on just to make sure it's not hitting you.
Oh no, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
Does
Yeah.
you just grind the
It's
trunk
pretty
down?
low.
Yeah.
All right.
Looks good.
Amazing, guys. Thank you.
Nothing.
You got it, brother.
Perfect.
No, yeah, I hope that it...
Job done.
All right, so the guys just left. They put the windshield. They put the rear windshield. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Like it's in the back. The wind's kind of.
I would assume it's still a
All right,
windshield.
cut this all out.
No, the people need to know, Mike. Is it a windshield?
It's a windshield.
I think it's a windshield. Kyle, do you think it's a windshield?
Tail shield. Tail shield. Well, screen things go through. I don't know. Well, it's hard coated. It looks good. It's not very floppy. And now that's all in there, so I think it's a win. It looks sweet. We'll put a sticker on it. Nobody will even be able to tell.
No, actually, it's really. Even the guys that were putting it in, they're like, you actually can't tell that this is.
Like other than our fingerprints everywhere, you can see like
Yeah.
the dots are like OEM.
But yeah, it has the super nice black trim. Oh, wow. The super nice black trim. So it actually looks like OEM. It's got the dots. It's like, actually looks like a piece of glass. So now for the big reveal.
The original glass, the plastic glass is 8 pounds, 12 ounces, right?
Yes.
All right.
Thoughts? Do we want to guess one last
I
time?
think it's 22. Now that I'm recalibrating.
Recalibration. I'm going down, I think, to 18. And I think you probably want to lay this one down.
Yep. I'm gonna drop it before we can weigh it. That way,
No matter what. No, you want it to be twice as thick so you get more weight loss.
18.4. So I lost 10 pounds.
Nice.
Wow, my belly already feels smaller.
I mean, that's like, what, I think $100,000 in like Formula One terms?
Pretty
Isn't
much.
it $10,000 a pound or something like that they'll pay?
Yeah, maybe. I mean,
I think it's even more than
essentially
that.
it was $400 shipped from England where I got this place. I'll link it in the description. I'm happy with it. I'm just kind of, doing, like I said before, just doing mods to do mods because mods are life.
Mods are life. It looks good. 10 pounds is 10 pounds.
Mod complete.
All right. Are we going to do the front glass though?
No, I don't think so. Like the rules don't really make it worthwhile because it has to be so thick.
Yeah.
So-
So you're just not going to get the weight savings you want.
Yeah, I think let's leave it for now. Although next up is the doors,
Yes.
which will be big. We'll get rid of that glass, make some temporary glass, and then obviously the fenders to fit the wheels properly.
When are the fenders coming in?
I think like 3 weeks.
They've been ordered. Oh, so they're still 3 weeks away.
Yeah. And then, yeah. Guys, see that? That's
No more glory holes for Mike.
Rubbin's racing. That's how you know you're taking corners well.
As it statically touches while the car is just sitting on the ground.
Stance is life, guys. Stance is life. And we have the wise pad arms coming in, which is gonna be rad.
I hope that comes in this week. I do want to make the
I
video
asked
on
about
that.
it again today, so we'll see. But thanks for tuning in again for this little vid. This is, simple, fun stuff. So keep watching, subscribe, like, go on our store, order shit, and see you later.
Later.